Hey everyone, welcome to Neolife Cooking Club. Today we're doing no oil fried chicken and a bonus 10 minutes fried rice dish. We're going to start off by preheating our electric skillet for 7 minutes on 230. Next up, we're going to season our chicken and cook this for 15 minutes, setting the timer on our probe. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more cooking videos from us. Look at all the natural oil we're getting from our chicken. Now, once your chicken is done, we're gonna flip it over and cook the other side. And we're gonna set the timer here for 12 minutes, staying on 230. And once your chicken is done, it's time to move on to our fried rice. So using the same skillet, we're going to take out the cooked fried chicken, keeping the temperature on 230, and we're going to add our grated garlic, which we grated on our food processor using cone number 1. We'll cook this for 1 minute. Now it's time to add your rice and also add your water. For a full list of your ingredients, please check the description below. Next up, we're gonna add our pepper, which we have cubed, as well as our corn and some peas as well. Put your lid on, and this time we're gonna set our timer to 10 minutes. Once your timer has 4 minutes remaining, it's now time to add your eggs, which we've scrambled, and then also add your oyster sauce. Put the lid back on and let that timer finish. Once the heat is off, it's now time for you to mix well. Look at that. And now your fried rice is ready to serve and enjoy. Comment down below for other recipes you'd like us to try. Enjoy!